This is the website that I built with a few prompts, with the Claude design, no coding, no trying to, edit something for 3 hours and being frustrated. So look at that. This is for the Harvard Musician website, where I have the top, which I really like, with the releases store, about newsletter. Then I have the interactive that I could make even more better. This is just showing you what I built here. And then when I go further, I have the releases here. I can listen to Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music. Then also I have the where I would play. Also, I would got here to about me, and then the newsletter. Look at that, not bad at all. So this is something I'm going to show you how we can build too. Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can make great musician website without coding, without trying to move an element and being frustrated for 3 hours that something is not working out. We're gonna use Claude Design, and I got the Plan Pro. And now what we're going to do, we're not going to start prompting into the Claude Design, okay? What we're going to do first, we have to find a template. So this is like a mission for you. Find some artist all around the world, some musician that you like their website, that you like how they build it, and just do the research for some kind of template that when you're going to write here on Google, template, let's say musician, and then you're going to search for some templates that you like, website, Figma, for example. And we're going to look on something something that resonates with you, something that you would like to get inspiration from. We're not going to copy it, just kind of have the framework, how the website is going to look like, what we want to have there. Now, I found something just for this tutorial that does looks good. I've found it on Framer, right? And here are the kind of like the links here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to Google, then I write here web page to PNG. We want to have like full the web page, so not web page, but website. Website to PNG, look at that. Now I will just paste it. I'm going to capture the website, no PDF. We want to have image PNG, capture website. Now we're just gonna download it. I'm going to upload the Claude Design, and then I start writing what I want. Okay, download. So it's going to get downloaded. Okay, now I come here. Now I'm going to open it. Nice. So look at that, we got it. And I'm going to say, hey there, I want you to make me a website for musician, myself. I want it to be mobile friendly, responsive, with animations. Please ask me questions. What do you need? Like socials, link to link, for example, to, I don't know, Spotify. Also, I will share with you how you can have a contact there. We can look on L side some widgets. I will show you soon. Then also what I want is that I am a nature musician. So something related to nature, to these colors. Make things up regards the pictures, then I would replace them. So I play on harp and sing, and I want the website be in the essence. What I'm sending in a screenshot, and you're just gonna describe what you want in screenshot, is my idea of how I want things, with the header, with the menu. And listen, also when someone goes through buttons, there to be animations too. Please be creative, okay? No limits. Oh, now I'm going to send it. What is going to happen is going to ask me questions. So this is just something I wrote on the first take. We're going to wait what it's going to do for me. While doing that, I'm going to look on a ELF site, music list. that you can have like audio player. Yeah, this is something that you can have also, is when you're going to look on the L side, is that you would have actually on the website the listening or inline audio player or music playlist or the album directly there. So this is something that we could also create. Okay, so what's your artist? Let's go Harv Marcus. Any tagline, online description. Forest. What's Hero Moment? A feature release, something else. Atmospheric intro. Which section do you want? Hero, listen on bar, a release, discography grid. Okay, tour, live dates, we can have it. And even newsletter sign up. That's something that you would have to then like set up later if you want a newsletter or contact form. Socials, footer, about, artist statement, nature, color, mood. Let's go with deep forest. Overall mood, we can go to grounded, organic, earthy, and this is where you can have the questions and it's going to set it up for you. So typography feeling, we can go with elegant. How much animation? Yeah, we can go like 8. Now here you would add Spotify links, everything. I'm going to leave it. Booking, contact mail, this is something again that you would add here. Any real tour dates that you can add to your website, here you would get it. So one variations to choose from. So we can have one Polish site, or you can even have the variations. So this is something that you can always write that you want to have also variations. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press continue and we will see how it's going to build up. But here I want to share with you is that you can actually create template like this and edit. So I can continue with the template and you're going to have the tracks that you can upload the tracks, get it from YouTube Music or somewhere and have the tracks directly on the website. And you can have it either floating or amped directly on your site. So you would upload the tracks here and then you're going to have the style here, the layout, and that's something you can do. Player. So let's just check it here, the playlist, the language, okay. So again, you can also use L-Site for it. You would just paste the link that L-Site is going to give you and you would send it to the Claude. But let's see what it's going to make for us. All right, look at this. This was the first take. Now when I come here and I click present new tab, this is how it looks like. Look at that. Listen to Spotify. I'll listen to YouTube Music. Then I could have like links there, releases, then also venue, the places where you're gonna play. Then I would have a picture here, and then also for the newsletter. Mamma mia. So now when we're going to go further, how to edit the site. It's very simple. Either you're going to come here and click annotate. They're like, okay, I want to change this text to something. So you can either do this and you can write and Code Design is going to do it. But what I recommend to do, before you're going to make any big changes, duplicate the project. You know, duplicate it. Don't do because you can't go back. And it's very difficult for Claude to go back. You want to always duplicate the project. How are you going to duplicate it? No worries, I got you. So you're going to click here and you're going to click duplicate project. Do it. But before you're going to make any big changes and have something from where you can always edit it. Now, for the next thing is that you can also click here and click tweaks. Let's say you can change things, like changing the theme and reducing the motion, or I can click edit here and you can edit the text by yourself. So it's all built by section and columns. But let's say that I want to improve a little bit the thing here. So I'm going to discard and like, okay, let's make it even more insane. I want you to make me fully living forest in the header, okay? Like realistic animation forest that I can move through and it's going to be interactive, you know? like if I move somewhere, the flower expands. I want there to be a lot of nature things, like where I move there will be an animal showing and hearth somewhere. You know, let's just go and let's see what is going to happen. So it's going to build me different header, but even right here, when you're going to look tour, release, about, newsletter, and it's very quick and effective, right? And I like that. Now we can play around with it. So this is why it's important to find something from where you can get inspiration. It's like, okay, I would like to have it something like this, but change this, have this kind of build up structure for the website. So look at this. It doesn't look bad at all. When I over the flowers, there are the animal, trees. I mean, it looks good. And I could play around way more with that. So I could add, I know when I go through the hearth that it interacts, and that more living animals would just walk through the space. I mean, it's not bad. So first, now how are we going to export the site? So we have to go to hostinger.com. This is where we're going to get the domain and also hosting. When you're going to click on the link down below in the description, you're going to get also 10% off. So right here, you're going to go to Hostinger, you're going to go to pricing, and you're going to have the premium. You can go to unlimited if you want to have more websites, but you can go with the premium, choose a plan. And right here, the more months you're going to have, the cheaper the price is going to be. And you can see right here for 4 years, 48 months, you're going to have it $176. Coupon code, you're going to write here Marcus, apply. And there you're going to have it even 10% off. So that's like for you. And there you have also the free domain for 1 year with this order. So you're going to also domain for first year completely for free. And this is something that you can get for yourself, and I'm going to show you how you can then do it in Hostinger. So first I'm going to export the website. So I'm going to click here, share and export, and I'm going to make a standalone HTML. Okay, and it's going to now generate it for me, the HTML that I'm going to upload to Hostinger. So come here to Hostinger. I'm going to, when you're gonna like register through the Hostinger, you don't want to install any WordPress, okay? Don't start using the panel from Hostinger. You don't want to do it, okay? Now, when I come here, don't use the web builder from Hostinger. Websites, then I have the website right here. I'm going to click on the dashboard, and there you're gonna find files and access to the company tutorials. And while it's going to do it, then all you have to do is when you're going to be in the file folder, in the public HTML, I'm going to delete the existing one, and I'm going to paste the site here that is going to export me the cloth. Look at this. So it made the website. Now I'm going to come here. I'm going to open it. Now I'm going to come here to the file folder. I'm going to upload it. And voila. Oh, no, wait a second. It doesn't have much. Oh, because I don't have pictures there. I know, I understand now why. And I'm going to rename it. And rename it to index.html with no spaces and anything. And rename. Now, okay, we're going to go to the site again. All websites. Open the website. And look at that. So I would like change the picture here. But you see it works. And it's beautiful. And I could even make it more interactive if I would like. Like I could make it more colorful, but I want to be in this kind of vibe. And I really like the header. And the header with the top with the menu is top notch. And that's something that you can actually do for yourself and achieve. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And I wish you all the best on your journey, and also regards your music that you're gonna succeed. Goodbye.